Hello there. After this weekend's widespread disruption and heavy rainfall, Monday does at least offer us a brief respite. The rain that we've had through Sunday is continuing to ease its way off and will turn lighter and patchier throughout the evening and overnight as well. We'll see some rain pushing into Dumfries and Galloway, the Scottish borders regions, and so the clouds still thick enough in the northeast to provide some drizzly outbreaks of rain as well. For most of us, though, it will be a relatively mild night, holding up around double-digit figures in a lot of our towns and cities. A touch cooler across the northeast still, but not as cold as last night when we had a touch of frost across Shetlands, but still getting down to mid-single figures here. As we start off the new working week, then we will still have a fair amount of cloud around to begin with. Some drizzly outbreaks of rain in the south and the north, but that's easing off for a time. Might start to see a bit more rain pushing into the far west later on as well, but certainly for the vast majority of us, it will be a drier and much better day than what we have experienced over the weekend. Particularly some inland areas as well will start to see some sunshine breaking through into the afternoon as well, and temperatures really above average for the time of year by about 4 or 5 degrees in places, seeing highs of around 17 to 18 degrees Celsius in the south, closer towards 12-13 degrees Celsius in the north. Particularly eastern areas will also see a relatively fine end to the day as well. Some sunny spells continuing to begin with, but some clear spells into the overnight period as well. The cloud will just begin to push its way into the west as we head throughout the evening. Again, could provide some drizzly outbreaks of rain in places. And into Tuesday, there is, I'm afraid, more rain on the cards as these weather fronts are going to start pushing their way in from the north associated with this area of low pressure. It will turn quite breezy and windy with some gales developing around the north areas as well. This rain won't be as heavy as what we have seen over the weekend, but it is falling over very saturated ground, which does provide the potential for further flooding and impact, particularly across western areas of Scotland. So it is still worth staying vigilant and taking care throughout the day here. Some areas of the far east may stay sheltered a touch more, and the far south as well might not see the rain arrive until later on in the afternoon and closer towards the evening as well. For many of us, again, it will see temperatures notably above average, 17-18 degrees Celsius possible in a few spots. Just to the northwest, as we start to see behind that frontal system winds shifting direction slightly to that northwesterly, that's going to start feeding in some slightly cooler conditions. So once all that rain has cleared its way out the way on Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday are looking to be that bit cooler and fresher for all of us, but also some slightly drier intervals returning once again. We'll provide regular updates on that, of course, across all of our social media channels, so do follow us there, and we'll be back again with your next broadcast tomorrow. Bye-bye.